Brother, where are you
it's
from?
about
Where are you from?
capacity. I'm from Congo. What about you? You are from India,
Yes, I'm from India.
but me, I'm from Congo.
Congo. Okay, I don't know Congo,
Yeah.
this country name.
Congo is in Central Africa.
Oh, Africa. Yes, I know Africa.
Yeah,
Yes.
Central Africa.
Central Africa.
We have too many. We have too many Indian people in our country.
Yes. What is your
Yeah.
religion? What is
I
your
have some.
religion?
Excuse me.
What is your religion?
My
Are you Muslim or any religion?
my religion. My religion.
Yes, religion.
I'm Catholic. I'm Catholic.
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 It's a Christian religion.
Christian
In
religion.
Africa, there are, yeah,
Christian religion, I know.
Catholic.
Catholic, yes.
Do you know about Catholic?
No, 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 I don't know about Catholic. I know about
It's
Christian, Hindu.
uh, yeah. In Christian, there are Catholic, there are Protestant, there are Jehovah Witnesses. There are two kinds of Christian.
Okay, many kinds of Christian religion is Catholic and
Yeah.
yes.
In Africa, even in Europe, even in America, there are too many people who are Christian.
Okay, I know Christian. So,
In
brother,
your context, in India, it's very hard to find some Christian. The reason why we don't know, you don't know too many people from this religion.
yes. Brother,
Yeah,
what's your first language, like your mother language?
my mother language, it's Swahili. Do
Swahili.
you know Swahili?
No,
Yeah.
I don't know Swahili.
Swahili it's one of languages of it's one of U, UN religions, United Nations languages. It's one of them,
International languages.
but it's a language which too many people from Africa speak.
Okay. English language.
So,
English language,
but
your second language, I think.
no, our second language is French.
French.
So I would like to know about uh, what you do for a living. I would like also to know about your age, something like that.
Okay. Actually,
Yeah, if you want.
if I talk about myself, and actually, I have completed my graduation, uh, 20
Yeah.
2017, and now
Okay.
2017, and now I'm working my computer shop, and as well as I'm an
In
English
computer science,
computer.
it means you did computer science in your studies.
No, no, no. I like I mean, it's do you know shopkeeper, like online working, selling electricity, like this.
Okay. You are an electrician.
More yes, and also I am learning English speaking English learners.
So it's good because English is the best languages in this world nowadays,
Nowadays,
and
actually,
we
English
need
is the
English to do.
international and global language and very important language
Yeah,
every moment.
Yeah, because we lost some opportunities because we don't know English very well. It's my example because I think 1 month or 2 months ago, I had a scholarship, but because I don't know English very well, it was difficult for me to apply to this scholarship. But not reason why I'm looking for being perfect in English, and then I could apply to too many scholarship because I want to be when people are researchers, they need to improve
Need to improve.
to improve their skills. And when you want to improve your skills, you have uh, to study again.
Of course.
I would like I have a master's degree in um, disaster and risk management, and
Disaster
I'm looking
management
for
is
a scholarship. Yeah, I'm looking for a scholarship to do my doctor to have my doctorate degree, and then
okay.
like
It's very
yeah.
good.
So what is
You're looking for
your goal?
doctorate degree.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm looking for a doctorate degree. I think if one day I find it, it will be good for me. I don't know about you. What is your goal?
Okay. My goal actually, when I learn English and fluent speaker, I want to be a fluent speaker, and then my future plan actually I'm a content creator. I will be a content creator. Like now I have one YouTube channel. Like
Ah, okay.
when I get free time, at the time I will make a blog video, like English blog video, and upload on my YouTube channel. And my main theme actually, uh, I will go to abroad or like traveling. It's very essential for me, and that's it.
Yeah.